Give me 9 minutes and I'll show you how much your life can change in just 21 days. This is not a motivational video. This is the reality check. Because you've been chasing a lot of stupid stuff, but you've ignored these 8 basic things which have a potential to completely change your life. Maybe you've been busy with your JEE, NEET, semester exams, college projects, coding, whatever the f. But if you can just pause for 21 days, fucking disappear and focus on these 8 things, I promise your life will completely change. If your quality of life is here, these will take you here. If you're making X amount of money, these will make you 3x the amount of money. So let me ask you this question. Are you ready? 5 years ago, I read a line which kind of stuck with me till now. And it goes like, without a goal, you can't score. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, like it's so obvious, right? Wrong. Because when I look around, not even 5 out of 100 people have goals, and not even 2 of them actually chase them in real life. Like, it's so easy to win in real life because everyone is so fucking distracted. Someone is busy with their ex-girlfriend, someone is worried that their friends are not inviting him to a party, and someone is busy drinking and smoking up. Like, bro, it's so easy because the actual competition, it's just between the top 5% of the people. So for the next 21 days, set a fucking goal. In my recent video, I spoke about these 24 different things that you can learn and make money online in 2026. Pause this video for a minute. Like, look at these things and choose something that you want to chase for the next 21 days. But if you're already preparing for a competitive exam, then set some goal which is related to that. But in any which way, you need a goal to chase. Go to the comments and tell me, what will you chase for the next 21 days? Now, to explain the rest of the 7 points better, I need to tell you a story. The story of a boy, let's say Somu, who comes from a very small town. Now, Somu has a friend Ramu, and one random day they decide to learn a new skill so they can earn money by freelancing. So they start learning a new skill, let's say video editing, and they spend the next 3 months learning it, and they finally start reaching out to clients. Day 1, Ramu got a meeting with a client and he comes out with an offer of 30,000 rupees per month. Now Somu is even more talented, so he was expecting around 40,000 rupees per month. So he confidently sits in the meeting and the client asks him, explain the thinking process behind your editing. And then Somu was like, sir, I edit videos. Yeah, I get it. But what is your thinking process like? Sir, thinking process, strategy, retention, rapid high edit. What? Somu wanted to tell, sir, my thinking process is simple. I want to keep the retention high by using rapid paced edit. But in the meeting, Somu was like, sir, thinking process, strategy, retention, rapid high edit. I mean, what the f is rapid high edit, you b? Now, this is exactly the case with a lot of people. They can't even communicate their ideas well. And sometimes they even get stuck. And if you're someone like this, you must start working on it. Number 1, how do you get ideas fast so that you don't get stuck while you're speaking? Number 2, how do you turn those ideas into words which tell a story? This is exactly what communication means. And if you can just spend 1 hour every day, you can get really good at this in less than 21 days. Now, along with this, I also see a lot of people who are too bad at English. I'm telling you, people will judge the f out of you. Not your work, not your skills, you as a person. This is a very expensive mistake to make. I've made a simple document which has a couple of videos on storytelling, the art of communication, and the basics of English. You can find it in the description below. Now back to the story. Somu spent a couple of weeks to learn communication, storytelling, and English, and he finally got a chance to work with a couple of people. He's now even making 50,000 rupees per month. But one random day, Somu meets a different friend. Let's call him Pamu. And guess what? Pamu is super active on his LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. Whatever the work he does, he shares all of that on his socials. Somu saw this and he was like, such a fool. But then later realized that Pamu is actually working with some of the best people in the industry. And that's when Somu understood that he should also start speaking about his work on social media. He laughed at Pamu in the beginning, but now he's doing it himself. And this is what exactly will happen with you in the near future. Like, everyone who's laughing at you because you're sharing your work online or making content will either be left behind or will start creating content themselves. So learn the basics of social media, like how to post, what to write, how to speak to a camera, how to make simple videos. The goal is not to go viral. It is just to be visible so that you get more opportunities. Start with LinkedIn or Twitter if you're camera shy, Instagram if you're ready to show your face, and YouTube if you finally want to lock in. Just pick one and start. Now, before we go to the next point, if you're someone who gave JEE this year but are still looking for other options, listen to this carefully. I spoke about NIIT a lot of times this year because they're genuinely one of those few places for focusing on all-round development of students, from coding to building projects to entrepreneurship. And recently, one of their students, Sonika, also got into Google Summer of Code. Others are building their own startups. These students are doing great. So if you're someone who's looking for more options, try taking their entrance exam, because what if you get in with a 100% scholarship? And they're also present in over 25 different universities from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune and Delhi. Their usual entrance exam fees are around 1200 rupees, but now you can give it for just 800 rupees for the next 2 weeks. I'll add the link in the description. Check it out. Now coming back, Somo is now doing great in his life. He took a lot of projects. He's making more money than ever. But there's one big problem. He's spending almost all of his time in front of his laptop. He's missing his classes. He's missing his college assignments. In short, he's not able to manage his time well. But guess what? This is actually a very simple problem to solve. All you need to know are these 4 things. How to prioritize work. Basically the Eisenhower matrix. Getting 3 to 4 hours of uninterrupted time so that no one can disturb you. Batch processing similar work so you get into flow state the fastest. And finally, practice saying no. Like your friends call you to a party in the night? No. Someone's like, can you help me with my project? No. Respectfully, no. So if you can just practice these 4 things for the next 21 days, you'll get so much better at managing your time well. Now the next thing is to become AI native. Like at this point of time, everyone should be able to build simple websites, apps, tools or Chrome extensions using tools like Claude. And if you have never tried building something before, this is the perfect time for you to get started. Start using Claude, explore connectors, Claude skills and become AI native. In the last couple of months, I've built a content planning app, content calendar, an extension which tells me how much did I work and what kind of tasks did I do on a daily basis. Building stuff with AI is so fucking addictive. Like better than playing games on my PS5. Anyways, the next one is something that a lot of people ignore. Because did you know that people judge you based on how you look and what you wear? A 2025 German study found that well-groomed, polished individuals sometimes make up to 30% more money just because they look good. So please start focusing on getting fit, lifting 3 times a week and running twice a week, eating clean, getting good sleep and always dress up well. But again, balance. Don't get so deep into this. These should be a supporting factor, not your entire life. Got it? Now comes the most important part of the video. So all of you, along with all the Ramus, Somus and Pamus, please listen to this carefully. Learn to market yourself well. Because it doesn't matter how good you are at something, if you can't make other people understand your value in a meeting, in a DM or even in a proposal, you will always be underpaid. The best product doesn't always win, but the best marketed product always does. So deeply study how brands market themselves. Notice how people sell things. Watch more ads and read how people write about themselves. Just noticing and observing these things will change how you think and live your own life. Got it? And listen, a lot of people end up being average in their life despite being so fucking talented because somewhere down the line, they ignore these basic things. They be like, I know all of these things, bruh. Then why the fuck did you never focus on this? Like look at yourself in a mirror. Are you the person whom you want to be? No, right? So for just 21 days from now, fucking disappear to focus on yourself. You don't even need to select all these 8 things. Just select 3 of these things and chase them like a fucking dog for the next 21 days. And 21 days isn't even much. It is less than 0.1% of your entire life. But if you can do this, you'll be fucking proud of yourself. And for some of you, this might actually be the first time in your entire life that you'll actually feel proud of yourself. So let me ask you this. Are you ready? Because I fucking dare you to disappear for the next 21 days.